In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very first HTML document, and that is also without installing any software. But in the upcoming videos, we will set up a better development environment, so don't worry. Now just showing you the basic process. If you are on Windows like me, then you have Notepad to write HTML code and Microsoft Edge to render the files. If you are on Mac or Linux, you have a similar kind of text editor and browser. You just need to check that out. The process is pretty much same, so just follow along. Double click on Notepad to open this, and if you don't have Notepad shortcut to your desktop screen, just go to your Start menu and search for Notepad, hit enter. This interface will pop up. Here we will write our code. So let me zoom this a little bit so you can see properly. Every HTML document starts with a so-called HTML tag, and almost every tag has two parts, an opening part which is called opening tag and a closing part which is called closing tag. Opening tag starts with the less than symbol, then the tag name, then the greater than symbol. Hit enter for a new line. The closing tag also starts with the less than symbol, but before the tag name we give a forward slash, then the tag name, then the greater than symbol. After opening a tag, make sure you close the tag immediately, because if you don't do that, when you will be working with a bigger file, it can be a mess. You may forget to close that tag later. HTML documents has two sections, the head section and the body section. So click on enter for a new line, then the tab key for extra space. The tab key is above the caps lock key. So write the first section, which is the head section. So opening head tag, then closing head tag. The second section is the body section. So opening body, closing body. The head section contains the information about our web page, and the body section actually contains the main content or the actual content. So now click on Ctrl+S together to save this file, or alternatively you can go to this file menu and click on save as, then give this file a name. You can call this anything like Superman, Mango, doesn't matter, but the convention is to call this file index. So I'm gonna stick with that, index, but the important thing here is the extension should be .htm or .html. I will recommend to use .html because everyone uses that. So .html, and choose a location where the file will be saved. So I'm going to choose desktop, then click on save. See, the file got created. Now right click on it and open with Microsoft Edge. You can see the output here. Let's say now you will visit Google. So google.com. After visiting google.com, you will see its title, its name on top of the bar. Google name on top of the bar. It's called title. So let's get back to Notepad and set a title for our web page. So as it is the information about our web page, so it will be inside the head portion. So click on enter for a new line, then click twice on the tab key for some extra space, then write the title tag, opening title, then the closing title. In between these, write your title. So I'm gonna write, let's say, Harry Potter, then file, save, go to browser and refresh. See, the title is now Harry Potter. Now let's say I want to add some content to the page. How will I do that? As it is a content, it will be inside the body portion. So click enter for a new line, then click twice on the tab key for some extra space. As a content, I will write the text hello world. Control S save, go to browser, refresh. See, the hello world text got displayed. So now let me close Microsoft Edge and Notepad. After closing the document, now let's say you want to change something on the page. How will you do that? This is actually simple. Go to the file and right click on that and open with. If you don't find Notepad here on this list, just click on choose another app, then more apps. You will find Notepad here. Select Notepad, then click on OK. See, our document got opened. So let me zoom this. Now let's say I want to change the hello world text to hello earth. Now Control S to save. Now to see the output, go to the file again and right click on it and open with Microsoft Edge. See, the text changed into hello earth. So keep in mind that whenever you change something to the page, you need to save the file and refresh your browser to see the change. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.